In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer WhatsApp to a new phone. First, launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select Settings. Now tap on the option of Chats. Here, look for the option of Transfer Chat. Select that. Now tap on the Start option. Now on your new phone, install and open WhatsApp, then tap on Agree and Continue. Verify the same phone number that you were using in your old phone. After verification, choose the option to transfer chat when prompted. Allow all the required permission, including nearby device and location if requested. Also make sure that both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and keep them close to each other. Use your old phone to scan the QR. Use the old phone to scan the QR code displayed on the new phone, or you can simply enter this code over here in your new device. Now, once the device is connected, the chat transfer will begin automatically. The transfer may take a few minutes depending on the size of chat history and media. Keep both phones unlocked and connected until the process is complete. When the transfer finishes, all of your chats and media will appear on your new phone. If everything has transferred successfully, you can remove your WhatsApp account from the old device if you no longer plan to use it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.